We increased our conversion rate 162%. And what's better than that? Well, probably giving away how we did it for free, which is exactly what I'm going to do now. So let's jump over to the laptop and I'll walk you through what we did to increase this client's conversion rate, generate more leads, more sales, more customers from the same AdWords spend. Let's go. We are on the first website. So this is what their website looked like before they started with us. I'm actually having to look at it on the Wayback Machine, archive.org, because they've gone and changed their site based on the success of our landing page, which is always good to see. But this is a snapshot of what it looked like back in the day. You can see as you scroll through it, there wasn't a lot of information on the page. There's no real offer or value prop. There's no real social proof. They just put Google reviews, 5 stars. And look, it's not terrible, but we felt that we could do a better job with the landing page that was a bit more focused to the messaging of the Google ads. So we started off with a page like this, where we were calling out, same day service, the areas they service. We brought the social proof up on the page a bit more. The offer here, the ask, the call to action, get free quote, probably not the strongest. So this was the first stab at a page we did. We actually created a new version that increased 160%. So this is probably what I would call a rough first draft. The other stuff I don't really like about it, as you scroll down, you can see that the stock photos here are super stock. It kind of looks like America in a way, the stock images. It's not really suited to the Australian market here. And scrolling through all this stuff here, people aren't going to read all of this and even scroll this far really. So this first page converted okay, but we felt we could do a better job and we were trying to get more bang out of the Google Ads campaign. So we thought, let's test a new variant. So we went ahead and created this version of the page. This is the one that increased 162%, the conversion rate. And some of the factors that led to that are, when you land on it, in this pre-hero banner header here, it says rapid response pest control, same day service. So it's hitting on that urgency. If someone's at home and they've got rats running around the place or cockroaches, they want that fixed pronto. So we're calling that out here. We're saying here as well in the header, we're ready to help right now. It's 100% transparent, no nonsense quoting, but then also importantly, ask us to beat any quoted price now. Because in this space, it is a bit commoditized. A pest control company telling one from the next is a bit tough. So calling out right away that we're sharp on pricing was important. This secondary call to action here, click here to call, was a way for people on mobile to get in touch right away. And then on the get a quote, again, we're calling out fast. We will get back to you right away. We used a phone here to simplify that. You fill it out on your phone, you're going to get a response on your phone quickly. So everything around here is about getting back to them quickly and fast. If you compare it to here where it's just, get instant results, but like here, just get in touch. But what happens next? How fast is it? There's no button to tap to call. So up here, it says same day service, but now we're really calling out rapid response, really drilling that point home. Then as you scroll down here, again, we're reiterating, you're saving on any quoted job, best price, we will beat it. Calling out the areas we service so that it immediately resonates with people in those areas. Calling out that we've done thousands of jobs, but then also putting in a guarantee. So minimum 3 month, no pest return, or we fix it free, guaranteed. That's a strong offer. Whereas before it was get instant results backed by our 3-month service warranty guarantee. And then if we jump over to the website, most of our general pest control treatment comes with a 3-month service warranty. If your pest comes back within these 3 months, we will come back and retreat free of charge. Cool. But that's sort of down there. We have elevated, wrong page. We've elevated it up here and we've just made the wording more to the point. As you scroll down, you can see that we're putting in, photos of dead cockroaches, calling out value for money, insurance, qualified, the 3-month return, no nonsense, transparent quoting, 5-star reviews, mean that we treat every home as if it's our own. Scrolling down, calling out the types of insects and things that we're killing when the business goes out to work with that customer. And then again, social proof, actually showing what some of these reviews are and calling it out. 5-star reviews for a job well done and priced right. Whereas before it just sort of says Google reviews, we have real reviews. And before, here we just pulled the reviews up, but I don't believe before we were showing anything. No, we were using all these stock photos and then not calling out the reviews properly. So here we're then calling them all out. And you'll see all the way down the page, we have reiteration of call us now, phone number. Call us now, phone number. You can tap that to call. Get a fast quote now. It takes you straight back here. Fill it out. So all the way throughout the page, we're signposting what people should be doing next. Tap to call this number. Click here to get a fast quote. We're going to get back to you quickly. You're going to save because our pricing's sharp. There's no risk to you. We're going to come back and fix it if it doesn't work. We've done thousands of jobs. It's just a much better value proposition. And if we jump over to here, you'll see that reflected in the conversion rate. So this original page converted at 6.3%. The page we created next converted at 14 or nearly 15%. So it's a substantial uplift from that to that. And of course, this one before was converting nowhere near either of them. To the point, like as coming back to my point, I'm looking at this website on Wayback Machine because today this client has basically taken images like a screenshot of our landing page and put it into their website because the results were so good, basically. So this is just a quick video to show you the reality of landing page testing in the wild. You might have a website that you think's working really well, but chances are it's not. And then even the first version of a landing page you create might not work well. So you need to constantly test different versions. We even had a third version here where we, pulled up some of the social proof and same day service into the header just to test how well that worked against the original version. So it only converted at about 12% compared to the 15%. So there wasn't enough data run through that to get a 100% confident decision on that. But this is what you need to be doing. Testing landing pages, testing your messaging, testing your social proof and your creative and everything in the page to see what converts best and get the most bang for your buck with your advertising. So hopefully you found that enjoyable. We'll see you in the next video.